Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I am getting ready for the day. I just got out the shower and I want to do my face. I have a couple of errands I need to run, even though I don't need to put on makeup, but I still want to look cute. So we are about to do a my skin but better look. I pulled out a couple of my favorite drugstore products. One of them is the Cosmetics Camo CC Cream. Y'all, this is my second tube. I have used and abused this Camo CC Cream, and you guys know this. I have done several tutorials using this product. I featured this in several videos, and I'm so happy to be working with Cosmetics again to share their Camo CC Cream with you guys. So Cosmetics is sponsoring this video. I am going to be using some of my favorites from the brand, as well as a couple of other affordable products for this your skin but better look. So yes, girl, let's go ahead and do the face. Now, if you are a beginner, this is going to be perfect for you because it's going to be easy. It's going to be quick. It's not going to be like, I'm going to be talking, so it's not going to be super duper quick. But if I wasn't talking, this will probably take me about, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. This is the Cosmetics Bite Size Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Coconut. My lips are usually dry, so I always like to prep my lips with that. So I'm going to quickly put on a moisturizer and a SPF. This is the Black Girl Sunscreen. So I'm going to put this on really quick, and then we are going to go ahead and apply the Cosmetics Camo CC Cream. Oh my gosh, if y'all have never tried this, oh y'all are going to see how bomb it is. If you've never seen it, if you've never seen me use it, y'all are in for a surprise, girl. So as I mentioned, this is my second tube of the Camo CC Cream. I use the shade 50N, and I love how this makes my skin look like skin, but at the same time it gives me full coverage. Oh, before we even, let me do my brows really quick before I even put this on. I'm gonna use this Sephora brow pencil and just quickly do my brows. Now we can open up the Camo CC Cream. So this is what the tube looks like. If you guys have never seen it, if you've never tried it out, it comes in a squeeze tube, which I like. And there's also a pump right here, which is really nice. So you can just easily pump it out. You don't make any mess. I actually like that this is good for all skin types, because I know some people kind of stray away from certain foundations because they have either dry skin or oily skin. But girl, this is for all skin types. If you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, this is going to be good for you. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this using the Cosmetics Total Face Sponge, which is one of their best sellers. And I'm going to pump a little bit on my hand first so you guys can see it. And then I'm just gonna take the sponge. Now, if you are new to my channel, I love applying foundations with sponges. I prefer a sponge over a brush, but look at this, y'all. Look at the finish. It's so natural. I just love this. So this is going to be perfect for my what I call this, my skin but better look. This is going to be perfect. And this is also fragrance free, by the way. So there is no fragrance, and it has SPF 30. So it's going to be protecting your skin, girl, when you're out in the sun. And you guys can see right here, even though it is giving me that full coverage, it's still really pretty and natural. It's not cakey. It's just a beautiful finish. All right, so I'm done applying the Camo CC Cream. This comes in 20 shades. I'm actually gonna leave this link down below if you guys are interested in trying it out. If you've already tried out the Camo CC Cream, what are your thoughts on it? Let's talk about it down below in the comments. If you haven't, girl, go ahead and get you one. Okay, now let's put on some concealer. I'm gonna use the Camo CC Cream, no, 16-hour Camo Concealer from Cosmetics. Hands down my favorite concealer, my favorite drugstore concealer. Y'all, I have gone, this is my third tube. I just emptied my second one. I love this concealer, and I just don't think I'll ever get tired of it. I don't really like the hydrating one as much as this one. This has been my go-to, and I just, like, I'm always using this freaking concealer, y'all. I love it. This also gives good coverage, but since I have a oily T-zone, I like this one more than the hydrating one. So that's why I really lean towards this one the most. So yeah, and you don't honestly need that much. I honestly didn't even need to put on that much because it spreads out so good, but here we are. I'm gonna use the Total Face Sponge to blend it out. I love this concealer. I love it. I think if you guys watch like all of my tutorials from this month, last month, the month before that, if you look in the description, you will literally see this concealer in pretty much all of those tutorials because I'm always using it. Even when I'm not filming videos, I'm always pulling out this concealer and using it, and I just love it. I just freaking love it. And it goes so good with the Camo CC Cream. I mean, obviously y'all can see it just looks so good. And if you're wondering, I use the shade Deep Chestnut in the concealer. So I'm going to quickly set with my Sephora translucent setting powder. Now this isn't drugstore, but it's literally affordable. So I'm going to use this today, and this has been my favorite loose setting powder, so that's why I pulled it out. We're just going to quickly set the concealer with it. I don't use eyeshadow primer, so I put I blend the concealer out on my lid, and then I also take a little bit of that setting powder to set the concealer. And I'm not even going to use any eyeshadow today because, like I said, I want this to be a my skin but better look. Nothing too over the top, so I might just brush on a little bit of foundation powder on my lids and call it a day. Because I just don't want to do too much today. I just want to have a really pretty, fresh face today. But at the same time, you know, full coverage. So I like to get my smile lines too. Just like that. And then kind of take it right over here to kind of define my jaw, well, my cheeks. And then I'm going to take, well, let me blend this out first. Hold on. Blend. Well, press. All right, so now I'm going to take this lip bar pressed powder. And this is just going to go where I didn't put any of that loose powder. So I'm going to, if I can get it open. Come on, there we go. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. Cosmetics large powder brush and just take it where I didn't set with the loose powder. Because I still want to set that CC cream. Make sure, you know, it doesn't move and all of that good stuff. All right, my face is already looking really good, y'all. Really good. Look how soft it looks. Love. Yeah, we're not doing any eyeshadow. We're not even doing lashes today. We're just gonna throw on some mascara, girl. And that is it. Do I even want to put on bronzer? Yes, I do. I gotta have my bronzer. I love me a bronzer. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Putty bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. And I am gonna use my e.l.f. Cosmetics. I think this is their powder brush. I totally forgot which one this was, but I'll have it linked down below for you guys. So I'm just gonna take the Putty bronzer and bronze the perimeter of my face. I did a full review on this bronzer too, you guys. I swatched this one with 2 other shades. So if you missed that video, it is on the channel, so you guys can check it out. And then get the sides of my face like this. And we're pretty much done, y'all. Throw on some mascara, throw on a lip, and I will be done. Even though I'm going to be wearing a mask, I still want to put on something on the lips. Because I'm just extra like that. I'll probably just throw on like a a regular like gloss or something. I don't know. I'm also not gonna apply any blush. I just like, just simple, you know? No color on the cheeks, just a little bit of a bronzer, and that's it. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that cream bronzer to go right here on the nose, just to kind of define my nose a little bit, to kind of contour it some, just like that. And I took a really small amount, y'all. I'm just kind of trying to blend it out though, because it is a cream. Let me kind of soften that up with that powder brush I used. And I am gonna go back to the powder that I used, the lip bar. I told y'all I wasn't using any eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna take a blending brush and go into that powder and pack it on the lid. Just like this. And then blend it out. I mean, you can't see it for real, but it kind of makes a difference. I think it does. It definitely evens out the lid, I will say that. Just to smooth it out, you know, make it look really pretty and soft. And now for the mascara and then the lip, and then we will be done. So mascara, I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Big Mood Mascara. I love how thick this wand is. This is perfect if you have baby lashes like myself. So I just take it on the top of my lashes. Woo. All right, so I need to fix my brows really quick. Fluff them out right here in the inner corner. Okay, I went ahead and got this out of my collection. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Lacquer in the shade Mauve Glitz. And this is all I'm putting on my lips today. Because like I said, I'm running errands. I'm going to have a mask on anyway, but I still want to at least complete the look for y'all. So yeah, this will be on my lips. I like this because it's like it goes with what I was going for, my skin but better look. This is my lip but better lip. So yeah, this is the completed look. I will spray my face. I don't have a spray in front of me, but I will spray it before I head out the door, so that way my makeup can, you know, last. But right now I need to go ahead and head out. But this is how the skin looks, y'all. Very natural. I love it. This is my favorite type of look. If you don't know by now, this is it. I love a soft, natural, my skin but better look. Like, it just looks good. It's full coverage, but it looks natural and it just looks so freaking good. But yes, girl, I will have everything that I used on the face down below in the description if you are interested in trying these products out. Definitely get your hands on the Camo CC Cream if you haven't already. I love it. I think you will love it too. So yeah, that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this super quick and simple my skin but better look. Thank you so much to the team over at e.l.f. Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.